If you're planning an international move or shipping items overseas, you've probably heard the term freight forwarder. But what exactly do they do? A freight forwarder is like your personal logistics coordinator. They don't actually move your belongings themselves, but they handle all the planning, paperwork, and arrangements needed to get your shipment from one country to another. Here's how it works. Freight forwarders act as middlemen between you and the shipping companies. They book space on cargo ships, planes, or trucks, depending on your needs and budget. They also take care of customs documentation, insurance, and import or export regulations, which can get complicated when you're moving across borders. They can even help with packing, storage, and delivery once your shipment reaches its destination. Their goal is to make sure your items arrive safely, on time, and without unnecessary hassle. Working with a freight forwarder is especially helpful if you're relocating internationally, moving large household goods, or shipping a vehicle. They simplify the process and save you from the stress of dealing with multiple carriers and international rules on your own. So, while a freight forwarder might not be the one driving the truck or flying the plane, they're the reason your move happens smoothly from start to finish. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit Movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.